biggest thing that's happening right now in the flows, your short, I always start with the short dated vol curve, okay? Big thing that happened was yesterday, you had your immediate term short dated vol went from, it was about 14 all the way down to 11, okay? 11 is a number that we've last seen during the last quad 2, and that's typically a number that gets you to all-time highs. So you have a lot of complacency going on right there. And another really big and important thing is that on the long end of that curve, that also got brought down by quite a bit. It went down from an 18 all the way down to a 16.4, okay? So why does this matter, okay? The long end of this curve, if that goes down, right, that's signaling sustained lower volatility. We have sustained lower volatility. Vol control funds can continue to buy, and if vol control funds continue to buy, they do not care about what valuations are, what all-time highs are, they just buy, okay? So if we go to our next chart, okay, if we continue to see the sustained lower volatility as the chart is implying, okay, you'll see that the current systematic buying in terms of a Z-score is at negative 0.8. So that really means that they don't have a lot, vol control funds don't have a lot of equity exposure at the current price point, okay? So if they continue to buy, that negative 0.8 is going to go maybe towards 0, maybe towards 0.5, right? Either matter, that's rate of change positive from here, and a rate of change positive of them increasing their equity exposure is what can bring, and at the bottom you can see where their total exposure is versus the history on a non-Z-score basis. That could bring the S&P 500 up even higher from here. Now the key to this is sustained lower volatility going forward. So this whole presentation is going to be about, okay, what are our upcoming volatility or possible volatility events that could flip these flows, okay? Also, I should mention gamma is positive, but it was a really positive setup from Tier 1 Alpha today, and also on their 1 month versus 3 month, you can see 1 month is well below 3 month, right? And so sustained lower volatility is me talking about that 3 month part of that curve, and that continuing lower.
Thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.